ahụrụ na-esi isi ajọgbu owu ya. Ofu nwoke kpọkọ ụmụ ya wee jụọ ha, ugboro one ka osisi ga-alụ gị n'anya wee mara ihe? Ndị nke okenye wee saa ihe ha saa, ụfọdụ si n'ugboro ino, ụfọdụ si n'ugboro ịtọ, onye nke obere wee si n'ofu ugboro, na ọmankwedị ka ọ rụọ ya ugboro na mbọ n'anya. Ajụjụ m wee bụrụ, kedu ụta a na-ata dị Harrison Gwamnishu? Kedu ihe Harrison Gwamnishu mego Nigerian government na-emebe? Our governors, our senators, our House of Rep members, our leaders at large na-emebe, individuals na-emebe. And I have come to look at it that the majority of people that are attacking Harrison Gwamnishu are the same people that is being found guilty in one or two mess. For instance, somebody like Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Go to her page. Where's the story Ogechi Okeke na abo case Harrison Gwamnishu? Na case Pastor Christ Okafor. Telling us how evil Harrison Gwamnishu is. Telling us that it's for those that doesn't know Harrison Gwamnishu. Tell me what crime Harrison has committed that Ogechi has not committed. Tell me. Ihe a na-eme no Ogechi. Ogechi that is being charged of cyberbullying and the rest of image maligning, character assassination and the rest of them. Ogechi that went too far, bullying people, going as far as bullying a popular man of God in Nigeria. That is the mouthpiece and the oracle of the Holy Spirit, Reverend Father Ogechi Njaka. Laid allegation against the man, said one or two negative things, and said that she has the evidences on her phone. Now, how can Ogechi Njaka, after all the mess, and God arrested her with some people that is deceiving her that she should come back to Nigeria, that nothing is happening? And she came back. And God used Mary and Justice to show her that wine aka wine. She was being arrested and she was being detained. Now it came to a point that these people put her online. Now you go on behalf of Ogechi. Because today, why Nigeria is not good is that you will see somebody going astray. Because now in on the internet space, you cannot say the truth. You will be telling that person, right on, go on, you are doing well. You got a comment section, not trying any expect. Some of our bloggers now follow asylum by supporting who? By supporting what that is wrong. What is wrong? Yeah, they wrong, and I support you. And I make videos, now encourage you, now congratulate you, now how good and how perfect she is. Why am I that she's going on a wrong path? Where you go? Man, now, after all these things in people are still attacking her up to today. I thought maybe I cover people. A lot of people they involve Nando bully. And all jaw is zero all. I don't know why she found so much comfort in attacking Harrison Gwamnishu. Because Harrison Gwamnishu meru half. If at all that Harrison is guilty. Because and the too many people today now accuse Harrison Gwamnishu, they are more worse than Harrison. They have gone more far and more deadly and more evil than Harrison. They have done more worse than Harrison. VDM today, Ogechi now watch it tell. See that you people don't know how bad and how evil Harrison is. You people don't know who Harrison is. VDM Ogechi now watch the same VDM. Kuroku make Ebuka Obi. Ogechi attack we. We ku Ebuka Obi me na drama. Ogechi attack we. We evil, very dark man. But we are this and that. The other one. That is the same Ogechi regroup. Mgbe mmiri na-eri mmadụ ọ bụ na oriri tebe no ya ha ma na-etishi mgbe ike ka abịa zọrọ ya Ogechi Marihe. I think it's high time that that woman got many other contents. There are too many other contents. Mewe. Happy bully people. Bullying people, saying one or two negative things, putting mouth in what does not concern her. Although I'm manana hayaya to bully people, I'm manana to frame people up. I'm mana since so bido ya na ndị Zion giri we mewe a lot of things. No gwa na akuya. Oh, takos we bo career ndị Zion. Bo career Ebuka Obi. Bo career ako Zion. Bo career too many people. By what? Lies. False information. Ikwu ihe ebe mmadụ kwugidere okwu si na a popular man of God no hire one or two native doctor bịa ngwa ọkpala. No evidence is na phone ya. Ina-ajụ kedu ka onye nọ Chicago, kedu the contact owe, kedu the force owe, it is such evidence. Bona na ikwu Reverend Fada Ejike Mbaka actually iti on na case ahụ. He has refused people that was calling him, sons, judges, magistrate that was calling him for them to be involved in that matter. Ona sa so pedal ona ochoro. Na calling ye soro ni megide mmadụ. Maka ọ bụrụ na anwara nna anyị ukwu allow people chọrọ idele with Ogechi Njaka. By now, Ogechi Njaka ka yegi efe prison. Hapụ na ọ ga nọrọ n'otu obere oge. Bụ na ndị a dị underground wee bribe sande mmadụ arụ. Ego ebupụrụ. Ị na-ajụzi kedu nkọm na-abata na Zion. Kedu ebe si wee bute ego a niile a na-spend n'isi Ogechi Njaka. And jụkwa Ogechi Njaka o. Ya na ndị Zion adọrọkwa n'ezigbo mma na ọ mara ihe ọ ga-eme o. Because ọ ma na ọ pụta na social media kwugharị ọnụ. Ekwekọ agba na ihe ga-emebi. Ewere onye kwesịrị itinye ọnụ n'okwu Harrison Gwamnishu ọ bụrụ Ogechi Njaka. Ogechi Njaka is not qualified in any way. VDM ọ na-agbasa today. VDM offered as his worst enemy. Her worst enemy bụ VDM. Because VDM, when VDM bido attack we Ebuka Obi, of one or two things Ebuka Obi na-eme na adọrọ mma, patani n'okwu ijele na ndị oge Ebuka Obi na-eme arrest oge ahụ. This is the same Ogechi Njaka gbapụta na social media, kparịwa VDM. Kwuwe nonsense maka VDM. Eche by now na Ogechi Njaka ekwesịghị go na ha drawing board. Mana, ọ nwakwa anwa web record again of cyberbullying or character assassination or image maligning or blackmailing people, framing people or false information. No issue gabaria, no gaganga makija. Mana, this woman, I find out that no way deaf ear. Or chore mota, she doesn't want to learn fast. And that VDM on our support kita say if you don't want to learn, you will learn in a hard way. And the on a J motaketa and on a J motaketa was in a hard way. Because I thought by now that for her to go back to Chicago is that she will go back there and respect herself. Harrison Gwamnishu, I'm not saying that he's perfect, but ewenche gwage. Imani je won ka adire egbe mma. Oro Harrison Gwamnishu na re aro need sponsorship. And Emma Mona agba video my own more fake or see no na he's going out with military officers, he's going out with police officers, and by the end of the day, and they claim in young Harrison Gwamnishu name fake, no scam, that is scamming people. And people is coming out with a lot of informations. And the trust on bloggers. Hafuni bagoguna to be too much. Eh? Yaga na achọba ebe a ga-esi wee bring yaga down. A ga-akwatu ukwe gị na a ga-find all possible best a ga-edo. Mbosu nke VDM ga-abịakwa na ewe allegation ele against VDM. Ama oge VDM bido gbawa akwụkwọ ndị NGO. Yewa account ndị NGO. One day VDM si na ego na efu. Come and see how people case where tano VDM. Atasara anu VeryDarkman. They teared him apart. That will show VeryDarkman that almost all the supporters that are commenting on his page, they are not a good supporters. And I pity followers that are going on the wrong platform and that is going on a wrong way. Supporting comments. you will see somebody like Ogechi Njaka commenting on somebody like Harrison Gwamnishu. You people are busy supporting her. You people are following her because you people hate the truth. Because you people are evil and deadly. On that brown game, we do Mumaha. Or who Pastor Chris? Can Pastor Chris mere Ogechi? Ogechi and make a wine nonadi. Bamu with the criminal activity Ogechi indulge by herself on. Bagodim Mofu Ogechi Njaka Okeke Njaka now indulge by herself on. Somebody put a frame where Reverend Father up a well-known man of God. Who you name it and even when she was saying that too many people, but her followers was like supporting her, and she said that she has evidences. So, open apology, secret apology, EJ, bribe. On name people want to get a pussy walk we came like Ebuka Obi. Where you go globe, half course we withdraw we are. Half course we watch a patrol we and 1 or 2 things in the Zion name, a direct way now me put or try to open me put we ain't equal. It did too fast. So Georgia, Madam Bossing Kegi. In a Timbunaka get the ocha, and I said in Akaga the rocha. I will fetch you grew. In Takane Madota. Una chetetu. Na in chabo mother. We people can make. We all are human beings. We are bound to make mistakes. Even VDM. Now say Harrison Pota confess here. Tight pattern on the use. But tight pattern actually use on Harrison because Harrison no we implicate. But too many people now know how that tight is. Bulls or too fascinating. They will all become enemies to Harrison. But VDM and Harrison tomorrow will become best of friends. Let me tell you. You think that it will end up like this? Tomorrow, believe me, you will see VDM and Harrison together. And VDM will come up with a kind of story that will surprise all of you. And bet me, all of you that has participated, Harrison Merunka, Harrison Emeronka, some of you people has done more than what Harrison has not done. Some of you are more wicked. Some of you they are carry Harrison. Onye sponsor. State government had a sponsor, federal government had a sponsor. He's sponsoring himself from support individuals in a year. Go weapon on our kidnappers. Now, 4.5 million or 4.8 million. Kagini Gejime. Also, leaders all the past and present presidents. All the vice president and the past and the present, all the senate president and the senators and the whatever, governors, local government chairmen, House of Assembly members, House of Rep members, Nezuna Afore, no Harrison Kana, Dovan Vam na social media, Kaga, Una Korobish. Let by now, na Nigeria, with all the Keta, Akakuzguruni here, that Nonyaki at the Ocha, that they will bring up all evidences to prove him that person guilty. Let us learn from our past. Let us learn fast. Because if you don't learn, as VDM have always said, that you will learn the hard way. You won't see so now George Harrison Abro Ogechi. Ogechi ne kukunde madana money. Some are far more and off Yama and Kana Pochia more for me video na congratulate Ogechi. You are an impact Ogechi critical Kamamaro. A devourer, an accuser of the brethren, a fault finder, hopeless woman. You queen Sudan and wine, the Ogechi. A very name, God, good.